oil pan off of the dozer. Cast iron, pretty thick, cracked in several spots. My guess is somebody at some point put a bottle jack up under it and punched through it without a board or something. I'm gonna do some stop drilling on the drill press after I grind a bunch of this out and try to stop these cracks from going any further. Then I plan on using the oven in my house to bring this piece of cast iron up to 500 degrees so I can start fixing it. So wish me luck. 3 welders in the area said no. I'll give it a go. What have I got to lose?